Every ATM begins with the strongest steel, carefully selected for durability and precision.
These massive steel rolls will soon travel to the factory, forming the skeleton of each ATM.
Every piece of metal must be transported carefully, maintaining integrity and alignment for later assembly.
Upon arrival, each shipment is verified and positioned for the next stage of transformation. Precision storage ensures that every roll is ready for cutting and shaping with absolute accuracy. Movement along the conveyor marks the start of transformation, from raw steel to precise components.
Human oversight guarantees that every cut is exact, every sheet ready for assembly.
Precision cutting is essential. The foundation of every ATM's strength is formed here.
Every panel begins its journey through the facility, moving under careful supervision to maintain quality and alignment.
Massive components traverse carefully mapped paths, maintaining the rhythm of the factory workflow. Every millimeter counts. Trucks are guided with precision to synchronize with automated systems ahead. Seamless transfer from transport to factory ensures that no component is damaged or misaligned.
Constant oversight guarantees that each panel arrives in perfect condition for the next phase of assembly.
Traceability is key. Each component is logged and verified, maintaining factory standards. Once verified, components are seamlessly transported deeper into the facility, inching closer to assembly.
Every ATM's journey continues at the factory gates, where raw components enter the controlled production environment.
Precision docking prepares the materials for seamless transfer into the heart of the factory.
Each panel is handled with care, ensuring integrity during this critical handoff from delivery to production. Inside the factory, teamwork between humans and machinery orchestrates flawless material movement. The factory layout is designed for efficiency, allowing components to flow naturally toward processing stations. Verification at entry ensures that every component meets the strict standards required for high-value ATM assembly.
Panels converge toward the main production hall, ready for transformation into the ATM's core structure.
With entry complete, the factory prepares to refine raw materials, beginning the meticulous cleaning and sorting process.
High-pressure cleaning ensures that no contaminant compromises the integrity of the final product.
Drying is precise, leaving each panel ready for careful inspection and sorting. Sorting ensures that only panels meeting exact specifications proceed to the assembly process. Labeling creates traceability, linking every panel to its designated production batch.
Scanning identifies and confirms each panel's identity, ensuring precise downstream processing.
Coordination between workers and conveyor systems keeps production flowing without interruption. Precise alignment guarantees that each panel enters core processing in perfect position.
With cleaning and sorting complete, the panels are now ready for the heart of ATM manufacturing, the core processing stage.
At the core stage, steel panels begin their transformation into the structural skeleton of the ATM.
High-pressure cleaning ensures that no contaminant compromises the integrity of the final product.
Labeling creates traceability, linking every panel to its designated production batch.
Alignment is critical, ensuring that every panel fits perfectly in the upcoming assembly stages.
With alignment verified, panels are now ready to receive internal components for possession, the next step in ATM construction.
Every movement is deliberate, preparing the structure for the addition of essential electronics and mechanisms.
Core processing is complete. and the skeleton of each ATM stands ready for transformation into a functional, high-value machine.
Each module is installed with precision, ensuring smooth operation and strict security standards.
Each unit is tested at every step, ensuring that every system meets rigorous operational standards.
Continuous welding ensures a uniform structure, vital for both security and durability.
The interface units are integrated, forming the outward-facing part of the ATM that interacts with customers.
Calibration ensures that every input is responsive and accurate, a crucial step for user interaction.
With alignment verified, panels are now ready to receive internal components for possession, the next step in ATM construction.
Every movement is deliberate, preparing the structure for the addition of essential electronics and mechanisms.
Core processing is complete, and the skeleton of each ATM stands ready for transformation into a functional, high-value machine.
High-tech automation ensures repetitive assembly tasks are executed with flawless precision. Calibration arms fine-tune alignment, bridging human oversight with automated precision. Security components are added, reinforcing the ATM's resilience against tampering and unauthorized access. The interface units are integrated, forming the outward-facing part of the ATM that interacts with customers.
Calibration ensures that every input is responsive and accurate, a crucial step for user interaction.
Wiring verification guarantees that the ATM's electronics will operate reliably under real-world conditions.
Structural enhancements are finalized, preparing the ATM for automated quality checks.
With the main transformation complete, each ATM is now ready for the precision of high-tech automation systems. High-tech automation ensures repetitive assembly tasks are executed with flawless precision. Calibration arms fine-tune alignment, bridging human oversight with automated precision.
Simultaneous automation optimizes workflow, reducing human error and maintaining efficiency.
Each module is tested for functionality, ensuring operational accuracy before the ATM reaches the next stage. Automated assembly integrates the customer interface, a critical step for user experience and security. High-tech inspection detects even the slightest misalignment, guaranteeing flawless assembly.
Automation works in harmony with skilled workers, blending efficiency with meticulous oversight.
With precision and finishing complete, the ATMs are now ready for rigorous quality control, ensuring perfection in every unit. Stress testing replicates real-world usage, confirming reliability under continuous operation.
Detailed inspections verify that every connection and circuit meets stringent safety and performance standards. Physical interfaces are secured, combining mechanical precision with ergonomic design.
Data from environmental tests is verified to guarantee the resilience and durability of each unit. With quality control complete, each ATM is ready to be packaged, stored, and dispatched to clients worldwide.
Each ATM is carefully prepared for transport, ensuring protection from start to finish.
Careful stacking ensures stability and prevents any damage during storage or movement.
Warehouse storage organizes completed units, ready for efficient dispatch. Loading each pallet with precision ensures safe transport to distribution centers worldwide. Every pallet is firmly secured, guaranteeing that the ATMs reach clients intact and fully functional.
From factory floor to client doorstep, each ATM is delivered with meticulous care and attention.
And this is how modern factories produce million-dollar ATMs from start to finish.
Every process,
every panel, every worker, all orchestrated